How to fix Telegram connecting problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, simply launch the Play Store application. Here, search for Telegram over here. And as you search for Telegram, make sure you have an updated version of the application. As you can see on the screen, there is an option of update. So we're going to go back and launch the settings application on our device and then tap on about phone just to check for any updates available for our device. Now as you check for updates, go back and launch the storage and just check for any space available for your device or if there are any space or storage issues. Now to check on it, you can just go back and then make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix your issue of Telegram connecting problem. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.